What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about automatic meeting follow-up with Drift meetings. Now, many of you likely have Drift meetings hooked up and set up, and if you don't, you should. But if you have them set up, there's not much control over the messaging that gets sent out previous to a meeting or once someone is booked. So when we're going through the meeting flow, or a prospect is going through the meeting flow, there's a couple different ways that someone will come in contact with your meetings link or is able to schedule a meeting with you in Drift. One is in an actual playbook that is routed to you and gets someone to actually schedule. The other is through your meetings link that you would have that you could send people to show your availability. Both of these options, when someone schedules a meeting, would then send a follow-up email to them and of course a calendar invite saying you've been booked at this time. Now, Drift has done a couple recent updates that allows for you to not only get those messages, but be in a little bit more control over the types of messages that are sent. So I'm going to show you how to adjust those settings. But in addition, they've also made the emails much more conversational. While before they came from a no reply email address, now they're actually coming from you. So if they hit respond, they'll actually come back and be able to communicate and have a conversation. So we're in Drift. And what I've done is I've gone to the settings tab and you can click my calendar under my settings. And then once you're here, you'll see all of your different meeting types and you'll see an edit button in this top section right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And now you'll see two additional dialogues here. Send a confirmation email when a meeting is booked. So this will send a personalized email to the guest 15 minutes after they book that meeting. And then send a reminder email to guests before the meeting. Now, to help reduce no-shows, they can send this 24 hours and 10 minutes before the meeting to ensure that there's that follow-up. So that's it for today's tutorial. Super simple, just trying to make sure that you have more control over the communication and the messaging that's coming out of the Drift app. If you have any questions about conversational marketing or Drift, please feel free to reach out to me at Remington Begg on Twitter, or you can hit me up in the comments below. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you would like to subscribe to these daily tutorials, you can go ahead and do those right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.